Welcome to Foot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Give thanks to life. You know what I mean? Mr. Health and strength, you know. I don't know, I am put on another vlog. I will say, big up all of the viewers and subscribers, and big up everybody, the silent viewers. Them. So, I say, big up all of the gooners, them. Z, my viewers and subscribers. Foota, big up yourself. Foota, warrior king, you know. Ja warrior. Ja no star. You know, I'm the man of peace, you know. I say, live in peace and love, you know. I miss I live and let others live, you know. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So I don't know. The morning you freeze. Just do the school run and thing. When I met the boys, I'm telling you, morning, you know, about too cool and late. You see me? Right now, I line for up on the work and that. So going to go wash off and you know what I mean? Yeah. But let's take this time out to say, yo, big up yourself in the foot and wallet papa. Nobody can tell you what to do. Yeah. Keep on burning the fire, you see me? But watch yourself and, you know, watch yourself, papa, because you see, say I get dead shot, another the first. Remember the last time I did voice note, you see me? Yeah, but me still as I live and let others live, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. You see me? I say all the fire we are burn and criticize and all them things there. You know, see, say the thing water there. But my viewers and subscribers, before we make you hear what Foota say, the post we make, you know. Yeah, it's serious, you can't take threat, you can't take any form of threat light. You see me, because you never know. You see me, so you have to put it out there and you know, Foota have to say a coffee. And to be honest, it can be a desert I come from, or it don't have to be have nothing to do with coffee. I can just see people in the community there, you know? Yeah. A fan of coffee, it doesn't have to be directly from coffee. And it's truth and facts. Come on, let's be honest, you know? It doesn't have to be coming from she. But me, obviously, I just say it I come from. You got what I say? Yes. So, yeah, man, want to check out my single, please. It was released yesterday. Ivana give me bone. You see me, I say? Yeah, I'm going to look a snippet and I don't know the official audios and all downloadable platforms now. See, so I'm going to a quick flashback. Yes, man, I hate that, man. If I give me bone and I don't know, I look at video, I have visuals where me and my son do. You see? Yes, I'm going to put it out there for the fans them see. I'm going to upload it soon and thing. I mean, just make the single go and run out first. So you don't know your support is highly appreciated. You see me? Yeah, man, remember me and the man of peace, you know. You see me? Yeah, so yeah, man. Foota now, Foota hype. You know what I mean? Ja warrior. Man, I burn him fire. And really and truly still. The video, the coffee though, boy, you can see, say, a beer, we are them people, we are them people in it, you know? Yeah, and thing, and the coffee, as me said on my first vlog, coffee do that, she did make up her mind, you know what I mean? She must make up her mind to get the bashing and the backlash that comes with, but at the end of the day, she is a big woman. She are a big woman, you see me? Never think that when I say, think twice before you make that choice in any form of situation. It doesn't have to be gun, it can be gun, robbery, knife, robbery, everything. You know what I mean? Think twice before you make that choice. Alright? Yes, so here Foota say, here Foota say. So I'm getting death threats from Koffee, Batman team, saying they put 25k US on my head. Hahaha, laughing emoji. Tell dirty Koffee, keep the money and try buy back a soul, cause the one where you have done. You see me? So Foota say I get threat and like them tell him say 25k depend on him, you know? And he also move on to say, it's not sound good still, you know. He move on and make an expose and say, Batty people can't scare me at original Koffee in Tagar. You stink like S3rious, 30 demon gal, I'm here on Jack Rowe. So coming out on the thousands and few, but to know a send threat. Ring on no matter. See my viewers and subscribers, so obviously like them a say Foota threat, you know, with a fake page or whatever, or whosoever. And as me say, you can't take threat lightly, you see it? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so them Foota say them put 25k on the med. That's maybe the check that them send him, man. You can't take that light, whether a foreign, because you know a foreign, America, legalize them thing, where them legalize them marriage, you know what I mean, and in England them legalize same-sex marriage. See, in Jamaica, them a push the narrative of Jamaica, see where the government them, you see me? That's why I see them a try implement it in the school. I think me see one video one time where the man I said, look what them a bring down at the school, the books. See, the government them not do nothing about it. The government them, soon as good hear the government them said, oh, okay, alright, legalize. And that me I tell you. So no care the fire where you burn and the backlash, yes. Burn the fire car, you know. You see me? The Bible say Adam and Eve, you get to me and say? But from phone, long time that I go on, donkey years, man and man, woman and woman. But you know say, man and man and woman cannot multiply. You see me? But what? People live them life. What you gonna do? Dirt them. And then like one time in the 80s, 70s, you know the man find out say you're gay or whatever. Them is either you're dead, they get burned, you tired and all of them sitting there and you have to run away, chop up. You see me? And they say, yo, you have to fast like 10 batty. And they say you fast like 10 batty, but yo, the man there, yo, what time I up told I see the man there rush one, you know. And the man, yo, I said them 10 to 1 and they couldn't catch the man. The man told like him going out gear them. I tell him, ah! Then we take bad things and laugh with them viewers and subscribers. But yeah, but I serious note still. I serious note. Just some viewers and subscribers. If you just love them, yeah, man. But you see in your home, you have to teach your home, your kids them in your home. Because you they go out there, burn a trouble them and lash them and you end up lose. You see me? You're not going to win. You cannot win them. This is why I say some of the artists apologize and some say them regret, you know what I mean, doing them song there. You see me I say, and Buju come out and say, yo, take back him word and say I'm sorry and all of them things there. You see me? Why you think the fire start burning my viewers and subscribers? The man them, one time the man them used to sing Roots Revolution song, not just for burn out gay people, but truth and rights, poverty, equality. You see me? Freedom, slavery, all of them songs there. Enough of them songs there now sing again. You see me? I say especially the fish one them. Now sing again. Why and why is that? The man them say them don't have no power no more, them don't have no voice no more. If them do them thing, then them get blacklist. You see them visa get taken away. Enough of them visa got taken away. Enough of them visa got taken away. You see me? Already, Mr. Beanie Man get back in visa. And I say, yes, full-time, happy female can go back to America. Enough of the artists them will lose them visa and go back to America. Because food, music are them job. Music are them job and them things. You see me, my viewers and subscribers. When I look on the reality of it, if you know something going to stop your food and you can avoid them. Not say you work with them, you can just avoid them and do your thing, do other things. But you just now go down that path that feel there. Lord them, you see me? And that means I love them. So I don't care who what's that? Why Lion Foot, work with them and support them. You see me? I do business. You look at it, even want to say I fish too. You see me? I don't state my thing and say I live and let others live. I not trouble them. You see me? I come a foreign, come live and have my family and thing, and you see me? I know say yo, Lord them yeah man. I feel them word, you see me? So Foota ride for about him fire, you know. That is Foota and his belief, you know? And non-stop. You see me? I'm ride for about him fire, but Foota and the rest of man them we stop burning fire, them different. You see me? Them have a different mindset from Foota. Foota not stop. And rightly so. You can't tell Foota no you can't tell him to stop. You see me, young, you can share your opinion like how Foota share your opinion. You see my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, I'm going on a story. 2008 I Jamaica I do my music. You see me, almost 2 years. And my son, them, my twin them from America, they're there with me, you see me? Yeah, and them passport run out, them US passport run out. Zina, them mother they America work and thing and have nursing field, you know? Yeah, and me there they are working at the school of Jamaica and I do my refereeing with the JFF and Kasafa. While I do my music, you see me, so she asked me for renew it for them. You fill out the form and thing, you see me, and get it done out there, you know? So I fill out the form at the school where I worked up as primary and book the appointment and everything. I'm go up there, me and them. 3 times I go up there. Yeah, 2 times. But the 3rd time I couldn't make it because me have to fly out. You see me come to England, then I go to Belgium and Germany. Big up Kirkwood, big up Purple Man, rest in peace. Big up DJ Sensi. You know what I mean? Them made me get me on some show on a tour. Germany and Belgium. You see me? Nuremberg, Germany. You see me? I say Antwerp, Belgium. You see me? Yeah. And thing. Rest in peace, Miss Dimple too, I don't know how she grow me with them when I'm a baby, you know? When they're foreign around because I single mother, you see me, it's hard, so them there are Jamaica from them look and go back and come back. You know, so them book run out and I go up there at the embassy and, you know, do the interview and everything and I already did make from the farm. I think me the sign wrong part or so I already did make from my part or the mother part, I don't remember still, but the farm she'd have to do back something in America and send it again and you know. So the second time when I go up there, you know the woman I attend to, when she said to me, she said she know me. She said, yeah man, we know about you man, we know you do music and we know you sing. And them done check them background already. Instagram, everything. You see me? And she said, there's not a problem. Because I question them, I said, why? You know everything when you prove. And she said, I'm my youth them, I'm picking them everything proven. You see me? You show them pictures and all of them. So I know security around them thing then them gonna feel like someone want to take them if we bring them from England. You see me? I said, no sir. So she said, no, we have to be strict and because of the scamming and you know, you might not be that and that. So me head kind of cheap. I'm just want my composure. But me just say them do them check long time and she say, me do music. When the woman said ask me when I travel again, which country I'm going to next. We look for another good. You see me? And she said she don't do a check already and I tell her say when I leave out the date where them give me, I say I cannot make it because I go out of the country. And I come back to Jamaica. You see me? I live for a month and come back to Jamaica. You see me? And go to St. Elizabeth, Balaclava School, go do a show with Professor Nuts. Big up real skill. Big up yourself, Rowan. You see me? Big up the whole Balaclava. So I left for a month and come back down the next month and thing. But during that time I couldn't make it from the school for the youth them at the appointment at the embassy for renew them America passport. You see me? So we put down them grandaunt name who had them from them baby, grow them, you know. Put her down her name and she go and then she get the book and everything. So me do all of the work, but them that I roll out and I do them check and them see them know some of the music and I tell them nothing. So it's the same thing with the artists when I say, with the artists I'm about them fire and this. Remember right now social media coming like a resume. You see me? Social media coming like a resume. So certain things where you put out and then you have to be careful of the character you put out. Because when you go do them check, you could apply for your visa and then go for you check out the social media and them say, oh wait, no man, a person is vulgar, a person is violent and this and that. Then them come back and deny you. You see me? So I just say, that's one of the reasons why I see the artists them now really burn no fire again and sing certain song again, my viewers and subscribers. I can't too blame them. At 2023, you know, when I like 1980, 1990, you see me? And them a freeze me for, you see me? And then like one time, you see me? Things sometimes change and no matter what, they're not gonna change. Now I got change, I got see them more and more and more. If you just live and let them live them life and mind their own business, that's how I see it. You see me? So no for all people I say burn fire and burn this and burn that. You see me? No for all of gay family too. You see me? No for all of gay family, your family and them thing there. I mean no for all now I got hurt them or deal with them. You might not avoid them, yes, but my viewers and subscribers, which I know start. I just sad for say. If you say Foota get threat and them thing there, you see me? Yeah, me not like that still, you see it. So, Mr. Foota, big up yourself and stay safe, Papa. Keep on burning the fire, you know what I mean? If I saw you see it, you know? Yeah, man, and I don't know, everybody just live in love. A lion foot, you know? You see me? And me say, the threat must have come from Koffee side. It can just be a fan member, family member. Koffee don't know nothing about it, but oh boy. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. I don't know a lion foot on another vlog, you know. I'm gonna do it on another boss now, give thanks for life. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell, and then we keep it to your voice up on the back of field. Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.